Altogether, in one workshop, I have got many information, and it will help and motivate me to create a 3D department in our company.
It's time to invest. So 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, it will take to reach to that accuracy, and it will take that time for buyer to get into the confidence way.
The good thing is that we were being quite positive to taking this up, and we have been just starting to send the kind of our own homegrown experiments. We have been just trialed out together with some collaborations with the customers as well as factories. So that's the way we came up.
Customer need to change the decision of placement. Instantly they are off, can you send the 3D? So within few seconds, few minutes, we can send it. This is how it placement looks like. Give the approval, go ahead. The best way to do is, if some buyer is asking for physical sample, send physical samples and virtual sample also. Okay, just for your reference, we have done this. It's the best way to get that confidence